Hello, I'm Judy Vanrenen, the founder of Botanica World Discoveries. We founded Botanica in the year 2000 and began with some Australian and New Zealand tours and then branched out to our international tours in the year 2005. 2005 is when we first started going to Chelsea Flower Show and the Hampton Court Flower Show in England. I think they're both meccas for garden owners to go and actually experience it, see the show gardens, talk to plants people, just have that experience. It's quite an amazing thing. Botanica is unique because it appeals to guests who are looking for an extra dimension to their travel, because we don't just include gardens, we have historical and cultural inclusions as well. We get to meet private garden owners and visit gardens and places you'd never be able to go on your own. So it really creates something that you won't find anywhere else. But Botanica, creating lasting memories is really special to all of us. I still can't believe that in 25 years we've been able to create this amazing business and experience for people, taking people to all around the world. We started with a couple of trips a year, and now we're doing over 40 trips around the world, including sea, land, cruises, trains. There is something for everyone. And we have the most amazing team, and I'm just so incredibly proud of them after 25 years. It's just fabulous.
My name is Carly Gotz and I'm the General Manager for Botanica World Discoveries. In 2025 we have a whole host of new tours to celebrate our 25th birthday, including a fantastic trip incorporating Royal Gardens of England, including a cruise around Scotland aboard the Lord of the Highlands. We also have an amazing trip in Costa Rica and Colombia and sailing along the Magdalena River. We also have a trip in Holland aboard a little canal boat during Dutch tulip season, as well as a Loire Valley and Rhone and Saône River cruise. In 2025, we'll be travelling to virtually every continent around the world, including Africa, North and South America, Asia, and of course Australia, New Zealand and Europe. We will also be partnering with the Diggers Club to support a special seed called the Pink Queen tomato. Everyone that travels with us in 2025 will receive a packet of these special commemorative seeds. To celebrate our 25th anniversary, on each tour or cruise we'll be having a special cocktail reception and other special events to mark this momentous occasion. We will also have a celebration cruise aboard the Hebridean Sky, sailing the islands of the Mediterranean, which is hosted by our founder Judy Vanrenen.